Wealthy Affiliate Review is topic of today's video. I'm going to show you what you will get after you register, what you can actually learn on this platform about making blog and making money online, and finally how you can actually profit with this platform. Process to join Wealthy Affiliate is actually super easy. After you click on invitation link below this video, you will drop on this landing page and you will have some welcome text from me with my lovely picture. And only thing what you need to do is enter your email address here to get invitation, press get start and fulfill here your name, email address, password and pick your username. For this testing purpose, I will just make some dummy text inside with testing name of account that you can see it later in my main account. And I will simply press to create account that I go in this platform and that you, like new member, can see what actually you are going to get. So just press create account, and once you do it, you will be taken to inside actually of a Wealthy Affiliate platform where you can start with the learning lessons what they have for you. And this is what you will get. This is Kyle, he is co-founder of this platform, and he is some welcome introduction video where he will tell you what is this platform, what you are going to learn about this process, and so on and so on. Below this video you have explained everything what you can find here. So they will show you all resources and all knowledge what you need, included with tools that you achieve some results and succeed in building blog and so on and so on. And this is everything what it's included in premium membership. But as free member, you need to understand, as free member you have some limited access to some features of this website, like some basic first episodes of training lessons, some basic research tools for keyword exploring, and so on and so on. So when you start to follow lessons, this is lesson 1, you need to understand that every lesson have textual and video, textual part and video like follow-up of this lesson what you are going to learn. And in this period for first month you will get special discount of $30. And what I say in my previous video, $19 for first month is enough for everyone to walk through all these trainings what they have, including affiliate bootcamp. So for all these captures you have only first level open, but with premium membership you have all levels open. And for first month and $19 you can actually pass through all training videos and understand all you need to know to start this affiliate marketing business. So once when you are inside, this is what you will get. You will get here some notification about expert classes for this week what you can join if you want, and if you are premium plus member, this is signed for membership and this is free membership. These icons what you have, and this is actually how this dashboard look like. So here on the top you have a menu with home, with trainings where all these training videos are, with websites which you can host on Wealthy Affiliate included in price of membership for $19 for first month, $49 each month. So you can host up to 10 websites on this platform. Here are classes where you can, with other people who post some classes about several different topics, you can search in future what will be post, or in past what was post already, and you can check everything what it's not flagged with premium plus if you are premium member to watch, and everything if you are free member what it's flagged like free member what you can watch. In research you will be taken to this tool called Jaxi, where you can search for keyword for ranking your posts and articles on your blog with keywords you choose for your I don't know which niche you are going to pick, but any niche you pick, you will need to pick appropriate keywords with low competition and a very big chance for ranking, and this tool will actually help you. When you are free member, you have a limited number for searches in this tool, but if you are premium member, of course there is no limit. And next thing what you have, you can promote. On promote you can pick several different categories, actually niches, or several different affiliate platforms, and pick products which you want to promote. So point is very simple. First thing what you need to pass is training. You need to go in each lesson and pass lesson from start to the end if you are new in affiliate marketing, to understand the way how to build your blog, and everything is literally explained in depth. Some videos here are a little bit outdated, but process and fundamental things how to build a blog are actually the same. They will show you everything in sample, comparing how to promote a wealthy affiliate, but they will always tell you how you promote wealthy affiliate. Instead of wealthy affiliate, you can promote any other affiliate product what you find, like Amazon, like ClickBank, like whatever you want to promote, specifically belong in your niche, in the way how you can also promote wealthy affiliate. That's the beauty of this, because they will show their own platform like real sample how to promote something and earn money, but instead of that you can promote in the same way with same technique and the same procedure how to make your blog and how to rank some keywords on search engine. You can promote any other affiliate product, and that's something what you need to understand how it works. After you understand all of that, how to build your blog on first part of the training, you will go on affiliate bootcamp, is how to monetize your blog. And like I already said many times, with first $19, first month of your premium membership, you can watch all these videos here and you can simply learn everything step by step. And that's it, super easy. Here you have if you decide to be affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate, you have here affiliate tools, where you can find some program details, you have statistics, you have tasks what you get when you communicate with your affiliates and your referrals actually who go over you. Here you have a list of your referrals, you can build the links here to post around where you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate, and so on and so on. And in other words, it looks like this. For example, this is my platform, and that testing account what I show you, come and join over this account, and here I get notification that I get one task from new referral who go and register over me just now, and it's called testing. I'm new here, he posts something and we drop welcome here and enjoy, and we fulfill our tasks. When you go on referrals, you will have here a list of all people who register here, and this one what I just show you, like testing one, is showed here like last one because I just registered it, and so on and so on. Here you have all referrals and premium referrals, and actually you can follow how much you earn promoting Wealthy Affiliate. But that's not the point. Point is that you, like person who registered to Wealthy Affiliate and who is new in Wealthy Affiliate platform, and especially in make money online business, making blog or monetizing your blog, if you really have no idea and you spend a lot of time searching some advices and tips on YouTube or buying some expensive courses to learn things like this, here you can find everything on two simple links. You see, this one and Affiliate Bootcamp, where you can pass all these trainings and you can learn everything what you will need to set up your blog, to rank your blog, and finally monetize your blog. This is super simplified process where people who even first time start to make something related with online or blogging will understand everything. I will be happy to show you some things what you can see in these lessons, but Unfortunately, when I did it before, I get copyright strike, so you can simply register for free and watch it by yourself, because like I said, it's free and you have no obligation to upgrade on premium, but you have opportunity to learn something and start to make profit in online business. So guys, if you have any questions, drop it in comments and I will be more than happy to answer you. See you next video.